PlayStation's dropping bombshells for April 2025, and State of Play is about to light up your PS5. From underwater Yakuza vibes to a zombie remaster and fresh PS Plus heat, Sony's cooking surprises you won't see coming. Ready for this scoop? Let's dive in. What's good, PlayStation fam? Welcome back to the channel, your VIP pass to all things Sony in 2025. After February's State of Play teaser fest, the April updates are shaping up to be wild. We've got Dave the Diver teaming up with Like a Dragon, Days Gone roaring back, and PS Plus dropping more goodies. X is buzzing, and we're here to break down what's hitting your console this month. Let's roll! First up, a crossover that's straight fire. Dave the Diver Ichiban's Holiday dropping April 2025. This DLC is bringing Like a Dragon's Ichiban Kasuga into Dave's underwater world. Picture this, Ichiban trades Kamurocho streets for the Blue Hole, fighting dolphin poachers with Dave in a beat-em-up twist. X posts are hyped. Karaoke under the sea? I'm in! And is packing minigames like recruiting Like a Dragon legends to sling sushi. Hits PS5, PS4, Switch, Mac, and PC this month. April 10th is the word. After February's tease, this is the quirky collab we didn't know we needed. Next, buckle up for Days Gone Remastered, hitting PS5 on April 25th, 2025. Sony's zombie biker epic from Ben Studios back, and it's a glow up. Think sharper visuals, Tempest 3D audio, DualSense vibes, and new modes. Horde Assault's got Deacon facing bigger, freaker swamps, plus permadeath and a speedrun mode for the hardcore. X fans are like, speedrunning hordes? Take my money. PS4 owners upgrade for $10, and PC gets the Broken Road DLC with all the extras. February's State of Play hinted at this, but April is delivering the full apocalypse. Mark your calendars. Then there's the PlayStation Plus. April is stacking the deck. February kicked off with Star Wars Jedi Survivor, Top Spin 2K25, and Lost Records Bloom and Rage Tape 1. Now, Lost Records Tape 2 drops this month, April 15th to be exact, continuing Don't Not's creepy vibes. People are saying, Tape 1 was dope, give me more. Plus, the Classics catalog's getting Petapon 3 any day now, with Armored Core Trilogy 1, Project Phantasma, and Master of Arena slated to follow soon. Dates TBD. After February's PS Plus flex, April's keeping the heat on, free games galore. So what's the vibe? April 2025 State of Play, probably mid-month, is set to surprise us again. February gave us Borderlands 4 and Metal Gear Solid Delta dates, so expect April to tease more, like that Borderlands deep dive or indie gems. X whispers hint at a PS VR2 push or wildcard remaster. For you, it's prime time to jump into Dave's crossover, shred Days Gone, or stack PS Plus wins. Sony's keeping us guessing, and April's gonna pop off. Which April drops got you hyped? Ichiban's Dive, Days Gone, or PS Plus? Drop your pick in the comments.